I trace the scars. I trace. The scars that time left behind. Every moment, every word now feels like a lie. Gave you my heart, but I couldn't keep you safe. Now I watch you slip away and I'll never erase the way we laughed, the way we cried. I thought that love would be enough to survive, but in the end I couldn't give you what you need. Now I'm just a ghost in the life you lead. I know you found someone to hold you close. I hope he gives you all the love I couldn't show. Pray he'll catch you right, treat you better than I ever could. Give you all the light, I wish you better days. Even though I'm not in them, I'll still say I wish you better days. I hope he treats you right. I hope he treats you right. Was everything to me, but I couldn't give you all that you needed to be free. Now I see you with him, and I feel the ache. You were my better days, and it's all I can take. I see him holding you the way I should have. I hope he never lets you go, never makes you sad, cause you deserve the world and more than I could be. I hope he sees the beauty in you that I couldn't see. I know you found someone to hold you close. I hope he gives you all the love I couldn't show. He'll catch you right, treat you better than I ever could. Give you all the light, I wish you better days. Even though I'm not in them, I'll still say I wish you better days. I hope he treats you right. I hope he treats you right. You were everything to me, but I couldn't give you what you needed. I wish I was more, but I hope he is. You deserve someone who can carry your light, someone who holds you through every fight. And though I ache for the days we had, I hope he shows you